So, after 5 years of operation, my Roomba's battery has died, and so I bought this replacement kit on Amazon for 35 bucks. Let's see what's inside. There's of course the battery pack. Here we go. This is standard for the 500 series, 600 series, and also some of the following of the later series. And then you also have a replacement for the brushes, both of them. This larger one and also the smaller rubber one. If you use a Roomba, you know how important it is that these ones are, soft and always clean and new. Otherwise, the Roomba pretty much wouldn't suck up anything. So I'll show you how to replace all of these in under a minute. Okay, so we have our Roomba here. We flip it and we start unscrewing all the screws with this arrow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you should also note that you have to remove this other thingy here, because otherwise it's gonna block the back panel from coming off. So gently you pull it up and you don't lose the screw possibly. And here we go, you remove the panel. Then here's the old battery pack. You're gonna pull it out this way and replace it with the new one. Simple as that. Then you hear this confirmation and you wanna put the panel back, of course, and screwing it back together. Lastly, you're gonna put this back. There are some replacement packs that come also with a new set of these. I didn't get it this time. Now, to change the brushes, very easy. You remove this reservoir, then you push these two flaps, lift it, throw the old one away, and replace it with the new ones. I mean, you see that the section is squared, so you're gonna have to align it with the with this other piece, and then you just lay it in. There we go. Close it, and then put the reservoir back, and your Roomba is ready to go.